Now we're going to hit My Sites in the upper left, and in order to log in, we're going to click on Manage Site. So this is like kind of a quick little health check on your site, like how many themes you have, how many plugins, basically your sort of arsenal of tools, you could say. We're going to hit that button right there, and then there's us, and we need to create a password, and to do that we need to hit Login. So here's our little guy in a rocket ship, and now we're logged in. Things at Bluehost go really fast, guys, so if you need to stop the video and ask a question, then please do so. I'm just going to close these little notifications here so that our dashboard is as simple as possible. Dismiss that one, and yeah, welcome to WordPress. You made it. So here we are now, and what I want to show you how to do is to go to Users and change your password. So click on Users and then click on Yourself. Hit Edit right there, or just click on your name and then scroll down, and under New Password, click Generate Password. Nailed it. Now we're just going to make sure we hide it and click on any password you want. Make it strong, of course, and come down and update it. So now you don't have to use any other password. You know your username, you know your password. You can log in whenever you want. We're going to click on the dashboard button in the upper left, which is also called our site title. That takes us from the back end to the front end. So it goes from the dashboard to this site, which is basically how the world sees it. So this is what your WordPress site looks like. This is the theme it's wearing. Obviously it looks okay, but not that great. And if you click on that button again in the upper left, it goes back to our dashboard. So it just kind of flips around like a pancake.